I'm in the game for the Brackeys game jam. Again, I looked at the theme and it was, a death is a new beginning. I thought of some ideas and decided I wanted the title to be, Try to Die. I went straight to work and bossed my friend around for an hour. He's the artist, and together we decided to make a character that goes around with a paint gun, shooting out some bad guys. He made all the art stuff while I worked on the simple mechanics. The gun was the first thing to make, and I made sure the bad guys would make your health go up. To do this, I ordered my friend to work on the art. I made a heart that gets more or less full until either you win by dying or lose by living. Now that's just like real life. I then got to work on an AI for an enemy that shot at you. You'd think that'd be easy, just tell a computer to go to player and shoot. But that's not even close to the headache I like to call dumb robots. Have you always wanted to tell a 5-year-old step-by-step how to sit down, breathe, pick up spoon, raise spoon, put spoon in bowl, lower spoon, breathe, look at bowl, is spoon in the bowl?
If so, consume food. Take spoon out of mouth. Breathe.
You can't tell the stupid little thing to just eat cereal, but instead must tell it every little thing. Make sure to blink your eyes. The same is true for an AI. Luckily, a guy with a cool accent saved the whole thing and pointed me towards a program called A-Star, solving all my artificial intelligence needs.
I'll of course have a link to this in the description.
All I had to do was spend about an hour trying to figure out how to tell it to not go straight through a wall. This was all completed in about 5 days, and I rushed to make it a viable game to play. Basically, made some bullets, a spawner, and boom, released. Now it's time to sort through the endless suggestions to make my game good. See ya.